And there is some more breaking news coming in at this point in time, and this after the bags of Home Minister Amit Shah were checked. A big statement has been made by Home Minister Amit Shah. BJP believes in free and fair polls. That's the update coming in at this point in time, and a big statement has been made. Let's go across to my colleague Pratibha joining us on the broadcast more on this. Pratibha, give us more details.
Well, the entire controversy broke out, Hina, after the bags of Uddhav Thackeray were checked and he claimed that he was being singled out. But after that, there have been several leaders, including Eknath Shinde as well as Pramod Sawant, whose bags have also been checked by the Election Commission officials. Now, after the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, his chopper also being checked, this is his first response that has come in. So Amit Shah has taken to the social media X. He has written in Hindi. Let me translate it for our viewers. He says, "Today during my election campaign in Hingoli Assembly constituency of Maharashtra, my helicopter was inspected by the Election Commission officials. BJP believes in fair elections and healthy election system and follows all rules made by the Honorable Election Commission. We all must contribute to a healthy election system and perform our duties in keeping India as the strongest democracy in the world." So that's the response that has come in from Amit Shah.
Right, big statement there coming in from Amit Shah. Pratibha, appreciate you joining us with all of those details, and this statement coming in, viewers, after in fact we saw the bags of Home Minister Amit Shah also being checked by the Election Commission officials, and this had become a big issue in the state of Maharashtra after UBT Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray in fact raised concerns over how only Uddhav Thackeray's bags were being frisked on his way to public meetings last week. And now after that we have seen a number of videos being released by various leaders of the Mahayuti. In fact, this included the Chief Minister of Maharashtra as well. It included Nitin Gadkari, Devendra Fadnavis, and now Home Minister Amit Shah's bags also being examined by the Election Commission officials. A reaction coming in from BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla as well. Let's listen in.
अभी खबर आई है कि हिंगोली महाराष्ट्र में गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी का भी बैग चेक हुआ है। इलेक्शन कमीशन के द्वारा ये रूटीन होता है कि उनके फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड, उनके अधिकारी अलग अलग नेताओं के चुनाव के समय बैग चेक करते हैं, जो उनको चेकिंग करनी करते हैं, क्योंकि उनको फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन करवाना है। गडकरी जी का भी हुआ, अमित जी का भी हुआ, इससे पहले नड्डा जी का भी हुआ था, फडणवीस जी का हुआ है, शिंदे जी का हुआ है, सभी नेताओं का हुआ है। परंतु किसी भी नेता ने जिस प्रकार का टेंट्रम उद्धव जी ने थ्रो किया, वैसे कोई टेंट्रम नहीं किया, क्योंकि ये नहीं समझते कि ये लोकतंत्र के ऊपर परिवार तंत्र है, ये नहीं समझते कि ये संविधान के ऊपर है, ये नहीं समझते कि मेरी चेकिंग कैसे होगी, ये एंटाइटलमेंट का जो लाल बत्ती सिर पे लगा हुआ है, ये ऐसे नहीं सोचते। परंतु ये जो एंटाइटल्ड डायनेस्ट है, उद्धव जी, राहुल गांधी जी, वो इतना सवाल उठा देते हैं एक चेक